Welcome back to my channel. How to make fruit picking apparatus that opens its mouth and traps the fruit from the high branches of trees to collect many fruits such as figs, plums, orange, mulberries with the materials in your house. Let's watch it together. We will use 2 half-liter cola bottle to make this 5-tooth fruit trap. This inclined part, which is near the bottom, will be the zone that allows folding. We will mark this place. To separate the teeth that will hold the fruit, we will cut from these places. Let's mark these first. Carefully cut the marked places. Since the bottom of the bottle is hard, you can't cut it with razor. You can complete the cuts with the heated knife. To tie the ropes that will allow the opening of teeth that will hold the fruit, we will cut holes in the places at the top. Mark these places first. Since we will also pass a rope through the places where the teeth will be folded last, mark the corresponding places. Also mark the exit points of the strings in the bottle. Get it in line with the holes above. Drill holes in the places you have marked with the help of a soldering iron or a heated screwdriver. In order for the rope to pass comfortably through the holes, heat the end of the rope with a lighter and harden it. After passing it through the hole, make a thick knot so that it does not come out of the hole when you pull the rope. Cut it to a length that exceeds the length of the bottle by 30 to 40 centimeters. Heat the end you cut and put it through the other holes as well. Tie the other ropes in the same way. After all the ropes are tied and put through the holes, our fruit picking apparatus is almost ready. Tie the end of the ropes that we left long at the bottom evenly to one another. We need a stick to reach the high branches. For this, find a stick that will fit the mouth of the bottle and make it stable. Let's check if our fruit catcher is working properly. Looks like our apparatus is working properly. We can stretch the length of the rope and go out to pick berries from the tree tops. We have come to the end of another video. Share this video so that everyone can see it and comment on it. At least write a feedback such as a simple thank you or a suggestion. If you liked the video, please remember to click the likes. If you have just come to my channel, subscribe and activate the bell to support my channel. See you in my next videos.